Ever wondered about the microscopic processes that keep our bodies functioning optimally? One such vital process is cell cycle checkpoints. These checkpoints are like meticulous supervisors, ensuring that our cells divide and replicate their DNA with precision. Without them, our bodies would be a chaotic mess of malfunctioning cells. Now, there are multiple checkpoints in a cell cycle, each with a distinct role. But for today, we're focusing on one of the most crucial ones, the G2 checkpoint. This checkpoint plays the role of a stern gatekeeper, preventing cells from entering the S phase of the cycle without a thorough check. This includes looking for DNA damage and breaks to prevent the proliferation of mutated or damaged cells. It's like a quality control manager for our cells. So let's delve deeper into the world of the G2 checkpoint and its pivotal role in our cellular health. The G2 checkpoint, a crucial phase in the cell cycle, stands as a gatekeeper, ensuring only healthy cells progress to the next stage. The G2 checkpoint is indeed a critical juncture in the cell cycle, acting as a quality control mechanism. The primary function of this checkpoint is to prevent the premature activation of regulators like cyclins and cyclin-dependent kinases, or CDKs. These regulators are the driving force behind a cell's transition from the G2 phase to the S phase. However, the G2 checkpoint places a hold on this transition, ensuring that everything is in order before the cell moves forward. One of the key roles of the G2 checkpoint is to check for DNA damage and breaks. Just imagine if a cell with damaged or mutated DNA was allowed to proceed to the S phase and start replicating, it would lead to a propagation of damaged cells. This could potentially result in serious health issues, including cancer. Therefore, the G2 checkpoint acts as a vigilant sentinel, scrutinizing each cell for DNA damage and halting the cell cycle if any irregularities are detected. This checkpoint also plays a pivotal role in maintaining genomic stability. It ensures that each cell has 2 complete sets of chromosomes before it enters the S phase. This is crucial because any errors in DNA replication can lead to genomic instability, which can result in various genetic disorders and diseases. Moreover, the G2 checkpoint is not a standalone mechanism. It works in concert with other checkpoints and regulatory pathways to maintain the integrity of the cell cycle. For instance, it collaborates with the G1 checkpoint to prevent cells with DNA damage from entering the S phase, and works alongside the M checkpoint to ensure proper chromosome segregation during cell division. In essence, the G2 checkpoint is a critical component of the cell cycle, acting as a guardian of genomic stability. Its role in maintaining the health and integrity of our cells cannot be overstated. The G2 checkpoint then is a crucial barrier, preventing potential cellular chaos. But how does this G2 checkpoint work? Let's delve into the molecular mechanisms. As we journey deeper into the cell cycle, the G2 checkpoint stands as a guardian, ensuring that only healthy and intact cells progress to the S phase. One of the key players in this process is the ATM pathway. When DNA damage is detected, this pathway springs into action, triggering a series of events that includes the phosphorylation of ATM and the inactivation of checkpoint kinases. But that's not all. The G2 checkpoint also involves the p53 genes, which serve as another line of defense. These genes express p21 proteins that inactivate enzymes, halting the cell cycle in its tracks until the damage can be repaired. Beyond these, there are additional pathways at work, ensuring the stability of the arrest. These pathways express proteins like RB and also involve the downregulation of several genes. These downregulated genes code for proteins that are required for the S phase. By reducing their numbers, the cell ensures it does not prematurely progress to the next stage of the cycle. These mechanisms, from the ATM pathway to the p53 genes and beyond, are all part of a complex and tightly regulated system that keeps our cells safe from potential harm. Through these intricate mechanisms, the G2 checkpoint maintains the balance and health of our cells. So, what's the big picture when it comes to the G2 checkpoint? Well, it's a vital safeguard in the cell cycle, halting progression to prevent the propagation of damaged or mutated cells. This is achieved by intricate processes involving regulators like cyclins, CDKs, and the p53 genes. The G2 checkpoint's crucial role in maintaining genomic stability puts it at the forefront of research to unravel the molecular mechanisms of cancer. In the grand symphony of cellular processes, the G2 checkpoint plays a vital role keeping our cells and us healthy and functioning optimally.